Hi, this is Jim Slane, Kettering Oakwood area, 614-470-2356. Building this landscape style paver patio. It's actually part solid masonry and part landscape. Actually running split face block down here. It's actually poured on a concrete footer. That way they don't go anywhere. It actually retains all the crushed gravel and sand and everything, you know, without the walls pushing out. And those are actually rod and poured just like they do a commercial building. Have jobs like that, you can reach me at this phone number, 614-470-2356. Again, this is Jim Slane, Slane Brickstone. We do carpentry work, patios, room additions, all this kind of stuff. Last year I did this porch right here, reframed everything, put a new rubber roof on it. I was actually the fifth guy to put the rubber roof on top of this. It was actually leaking down inside, rotted all the framing out, and the roof structure was actually sitting on top of the sliding glass doors. So I had to replace all the headers and everything in here. Again, this is Jim Slane, 614-470-2356. Thank you for watching.